Hello everyone, today I have a deep sleeping mask. Hello everyone, today I have a deep sleeping mask. It's a perfect purchase for the traveling, for everyday use. It has a different variation of sound. Also, you can connect it by your Bluetooth and listen your favorite music, some meditation songs, etc. It has a long term using. It's charged by USB-C. It's very simple of charging it anywhere. Also, it comes with a carrying bag. You can everything taken with you. I think it's a must-have for everyone who like to sleeping in loud. I'm highly recommend this. You will like it.